Did you know that you could use ChatGPT to help you give faster, more effective feedback inside of Canvas? We've all been there. We're grading, we're frustrated, we have that battle fatigue or instructional overload, whatever you want to call it. And we want to say to a student, your work is late. You're making it hard for other students to learn. But we know that's not the best way to talk to students. We know that we should be more positive and more friendly and supportive. Well, you can take common comments that you need to give to your students and have ChatGPT rewrite them for you in a way that is very friendly. Then, inside of Canvas, you can make use of the comment bank. The comment bank is over here where you have assignment comments. And if you click on it, you've got a bunch of different comments. You can add as many as you want. And then you can add little codes. So for example, if a student is turning something in late, I can type in TTURN, so turn. But what happens is I've added an extra T, and it'll text expand for me and let the student know that I don't see their submission yet, right? That I want to make sure that I get them good feedback. And so I could be very positive with my feedback. Now, if they're having problems with writing thesis statements, I'll use that same format where I basically add the extra T in front of the word, and then it'll expand out. If they're having errors with fragments, I can do the exact same thing and text expand that out and provide really robust feedback to students on a variety of topics. But instead of me writing it while I'm frustrated, I can have ChatGPT write it for me and put it into a friendly, positive, supportive tone.